Hey guys, welcome back to today's very special video, and the reason I'm calling it very special because I feel like it's kind of my thing, and the reason I'm calling it my thing because I do it a lot, like literally a lot. I was working and all I was doing is wearing some simple day kind of makeup look and go for work, and most of the time I will have after work plan, like sometime friends gathering or sometime party to join, and in between I will have very limited time, like sometime like only 10 minutes to transfer my makeup from daytime to nighttime glam look. And surprisingly, I used to get a lot of compliments like, hey, your makeup is looking perfect, hey, you're looking glamorous, and I'm like, oh, thank you, I have done it only in 10 minutes. And then they will be like, what? So I was like, alright, that's great, and why don't I share this with you guys. So today's video is all about how you can transfer your nighttime makeup into, transfer your daytime makeup into nighttime makeup, and in a very easy way and very simple and fast way. So if that interests you guys, then keep on watching and let's just jump into the video. Alright, so first we're gonna do daytime makeup and then we are going to transfer it to nighttime. And let me tell you that I have done already my eyebrow just because I don't like to do it on camera, so I did it off camera. Alright, so first I'm going to just moisturize my face, and I'm going to use Glassy Touch and Soul moisturizer. So this is how it is. I actually got this moisturizer from BoxyCharm Box, and ever since I got it I fell in love with it just because it gives you an amazing glow to it that I absolutely love. So now today I'm using Decay Stay Naked foundation, and the reason I'm using this foundation because this is long wearing, which is 24-hour. At the same time it is not heavy to the skin, which I love, and today we need something that is long wearing because we are going to wear from morning till night. So yep. And I'm just using a beauty sponge and blending all over my face. At the same time I'm taking it till my neck so that my face color and neck color is not different. Oh, so what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm using concealer, which is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in the shade C12. Oh yeah, for the foundation the shade was 50 NN. So I'm just using under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my chin, every place that I need to correct a bit. And then I'm using a beauty sponge and blending all those out. And I'm using the same concealer to conceal my eyelid as well. And then I'm using my recent favorite setting powder, which is Anastasia setting powder in the shade yellow. And I'm setting almost all the places I used concealer, which is under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin area. And that's pretty it. And today for the eyeshadow I'm using Makeup Forever Let's Go palette. This is a perfect everyday palette, guys. I love this palette so much. And I'm using the color called Soul, which is bronzy kind of color, and I'm putting it all over my lid. And then just blending, blending, and blending. And then I'm using the shade called Pure, and I'm taking the color from my inner corner till half of my lid just to brighten up the inner corner, because it's gonna make your eye look also bigger and brighter, which is perfect. And now I'm going to take the same color called Soul, and I'm just using it to smoke out my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the shade called Hotshot, which is a shimmer kind of shade, and that's the only shimmer shade that we're going to use in our inner corner just to give a little bit life to this matte looking eyes. And that's pretty much it that we are going to use for today's eye look, which is very simple and perfect for daytime. For the blush, today I'm using one of my favorite blush, which is Tarte blush. I love this brush because it have a nice peachy pinky tone. I love it for daytime, nighttime, no matter what time, I just love it. And for the highlight today, I'm using Wet n Wild PCS Petal Highlight, which is a powder highlight, but it gives you a very weight looking effect, which I love. And I'm using pretty much everywhere. I normally use my highlighter, and when I'm happy with the highlighter, this is what I do. And then for the lipstick, I'm using Colourpop lipstick in the shade Runaway, which is their Matte X lipstick, and I'm using this lipstick as my lip liner as well. So this is the biggest reason also that I love this lipstick, because I don't need to use an extra lip liner. I just can use it as my lip liner just because the way that it's shaped. And then I'm just, you know, using all over my lips. And now for the setting spray, I'm using MAC Prep and Prime setting spray. Alright, never mind. I'm just trying to find a cute pose that will, you know, look cute, and that is embarrassing. So, yep, this is also one of my favorite setting spray. And now, this is what happens when you don't have a fan. Here is my complete daytime makeup look, which is simple but still glamorous. And I don't know what I ordered this bright color, but I just felt like with this outfit, this bright color will look perfect. And also this kind of makeup look looks so bright if you were in a sunny day, so why not? But if you guys want, you just can go for a simple light color lipstick or a lip gloss maybe. But this is how my daytime makeup look. And now we are going to transfer it to nighttime makeup look. So let's start. Alright guys, to start this transformation, I'm using simple micellar water, and I'm simply removing my lipstick. So pretty much that's all we are going to remove for this look. And I'm looking really awkward right now, so I'm just taking a concealer to fix everything that is making me look scary, and just buffing it with a beauty sponge so I look really perfect. And for the eyes, I'm using the same palette, which is Makeup Forever Let's Gold palette, and I'm taking the shade called Mine, which is a dark brown shade, and I'm using this shade to darken up my crease, and then just blend. And then I'm taking the shade called Famed, which is a shimmer gold kind of shade, and I'm using it all over my lid. And then I'm taking back the Mine color and then just smoking my outer lid a little bit. And then I'm taking Estella Glitter and Glow in the shade Golden Girl, and I'm just putting it above of that flame shade just to give it a extra glam look. And then I'm taking the shade called Hotspot, and I'm just using it to highlight my brow bone. And now to highlight my under eye, I'm taking Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. This is a way lighter shade than my original skin tone, and I actually like it to, you know, highlight my under eye, my forehead, and all the places that I like to highlight. And it's perfect for a nighttime glam look. And then I'm just taking a beauty sponge and then just blending it. And then I'm taking the Anastasia setting powder and also setting almost everywhere I use the concealer. And for contouring, I'm using Kat Von D contour palette in the shade Shadow Play. And for the blush, I'm using BH Cosmetic blush palette, and I'm pretty much mixing all the blush together and just blushing my cheek. And then I'm just going to darken up my eyebrow a little bit, you know, just to go with this whole glam look, so you can see the difference. So yeah, we are just making it a little bit more darker. And now to complete the eye look, I'm going back to the Makeup Forever Let's Gold palette. I'm taking the shade Mine and smoking out my lower lash line. And then I'm also using an eyeliner to use in my waterline. And for this look, I'm going to do a wing line, and this is exactly what I'm doing. And then of course, just putting some mascara and then lash extension. I did the lash extension in off camera because it's gonna take a long time. And here is a close-up look from my eye look. And now I'm just brushing off all, oops, my hair always bother me in a wrong time. So yeah, I'm just brushing off all the excess powder from my face. And now to set the whole face, I'm using MAC Prep and Prime Setting Spray. And now is the time to put some more highlight. I'm using the same Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlight, and I'm using this time a lot, like really a lot. I want my face to glow so that I can see my future. That's really funny, but the main point is I'm using a lots and lots of highlight today. And for the lips, I'm using Colourpop lipstick in the shade I really forgot, but I promise I will put anywhere in the screen. So this is a really nice dark maroon shade. This color look really sexy, you guys. It's a perfect nighttime lipstick shade. I love it. Now, of course, this hairstyle, this clothing is not going for this look. So, ta-da! Here is the change. So perfect jewelry, perfect outfit, and perfect look for your nighttime glam. Hey guys, so here is my complete nighttime makeup look. So you can see the transformation from here till here. Like, I don't know what to say because I am impressed from myself. Like, that's might be super dramatic, but guys, I did my whole makeup transformation, and also I put on some jewelry, my outfit, and I also did a hairstyle that can go with this whole look. This is how much easy it was. All I did just removing my lipstick, and rest I didn't remove anything. I just put on some more kind of makeup. So obviously you don't need to change your full makeup or remove full makeup and do new. You just can put on some more makeup. This is what exactly I have done here. It was really super simple for me to do, and it was not too much work. It's just very easy, and I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation from day makeup to night makeup. So guys, this is where we are. I am really having like that glamorous kind of vibe, and I love it. Alright guys, so I think that's all for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any kind of recommendation or anything else, do let me know in the comment section below. I will love to hear it from you guys. And I think, yeah, we are going to end this video right now, and I'll see you guys in my next upcoming video. Bye.